Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my office. Grab a chair, sit down for a hot minute because I have some really exciting news and you are not going to want to miss it. So most of you guys know that I am a registered holistic nutritionist. My practice started in early 2017 as a food business because I am living proof that food transforms your life, okay? Food healed me, food continues to heal me. It is my vitality and it is one of the pillars of my health. So when I graduated, I was like, I need to bring the people food. I need the people to know that they can still eat pizza, cheese, burgers, taquitos. I know you remember the taquitos. And they can be plant-based and they can be whole food and they can satisfy your soul and the emotions of eating while also fueling your body, giving your body what it needs to be healthy. Because you all know I was a self-proclaimed junk food junkie and I needed to make sure that what I was eating still nourished my emotional needs, but it had to change because what I used to eat was pure junk and it literally destroyed my body. So we fast forward to a couple years ago when I made the difficult decision to close the food part because I was being called to do more one-on-one, my one-on-one practice with my clients, the TLC community. Guys, I love sharing with you and that's never gonna change. But there was a part missing and I know that part was food. And you know how I know? Because so many of you every single day would say, I wish that you were in my kitchen prepping for me. Can you live with me and be my personal chef? When is there gonna be TLC food again? I would eat the way you do if someone made it for me. And that sat there, okay? My gut, it spoke to me. So then we fast forward to the last year and a half and I see the need for people to have tangible food in their homes brought to them, available, that is nourishing, that is whole, but that is comforting and delicious at the same time. And then I really started to do research looking around, really started to look at those popular meal kits, that are on the market and, takeout in the area. And there are beautiful options, if you look hard enough. And in terms of the meal kits, there's very limited solely plant-based and the vegetarian options are really high in dairy. So I started ordering these boxes because sometimes I need someone to cook for me. You can't make everything from scratch. You know that from the TLC community. But I started to realize that these boxes were not the kind of food that I wanted to or that I typically choose to put in my body every single day. There's a lot of highly processed foods, a lot of inflammatory ingredients, and a lot of chemical preservatives, etc. So then I got to thinking, imagine that there was a meal kit available that was not only plant-based, but gluten-free, using organic ingredients, designed by a registered holistic nutritionist for optimal health, that you could use to make meals more simple on those nights, where you're too tired, you don't have the energy, you don't know what to cook, etc. And while that's where this idea was born, and it is with extreme excitement, genuine excitement, a little bit of fear on my part and some disbelief, Tanya, are you crazy taking this on, that I am happy to announce that coming soon, the TLC meal kits will be available coming soon. This will be a weekly system where you can order in advance. Let me be clear on this right now, because this girl, she has some boundaries because my private practice, my clients, don't worry, I'm not leaving you, so important to me. My community, not leaving you, so important to me. So this is gonna be a pilot project, okay? And it's gonna grow as the need grows for this. So please sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the bio. Make sure you're watching my social media because I'm gonna be announcing some exciting pop-ups really soon here in Guelph, where yes, I will be cooking for you some TLC food, and you'll be able to get a sneak peek of exactly what these boxes are going to look like. And by the way, like, there will be no chopping, there will be no dicing. Like, these are going to be heat, assemble, and enjoy boxes. So stay tuned for information about the pop-ups coming real soon, and then further information about how ordering works for your boxes, where you will pick up your boxes, and all of the other questions that you may have. So all I want to say is, from the bottom of my heart, guys, you inspire me to do this. I want the best for all of us. I want the best for you. I want you to have that healthy life, that vital life, you know, getting those good foods in, enjoying what you actually eat. So thank you for being on this crazy ride with me. I can't believe that I'm saying that TLC Food is back, but TLC Food, I'm back. So guys, thank you. Stay tuned. I will talk to you soon, and I appreciate you all so much.